Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Brave browser pages is not loading. So let's fix that. So first, let's open Brave browser. So go to start menu and search for Brave browser. Now once opened, click the three lines at the top right. Then go to delete browsing data. Now at the top, select the time frame. So I'm just gonna click last hour and make sure you select cookies in other site data. So check this box and also check cache images and files. Now once done, click delete from this device at the bottom. Then go back to the page and refresh it and see if that works. Now you can also again go to the three lines at the top, then go to settings. So from the settings, you can also go to privacy and security, then click on delete browsing data and choose the time frame and also cache images and files. Then click delete from this device. And that's basically it. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can close the browser fully. So click the X button. So click close all and reopen it again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.